Hello, today I will guide you on how to fix the 0x80070483 Microsoft Store error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Step 1. Run WSReset to reset Microsoft Store. Open the search menu. Type WSReset into the search bar. Click on the WSReset app that appears in the results. A blank command prompt window will open. Wait for it to finish and close. This will reset the Microsoft Store without changing your settings or deleting apps. Step 2. Run System File Checker SFC. Open the search menu again. Type CMD and right-click Command Prompt. Choose Run as Administrator. If prompted by User Account Control, click Yes. In the command prompt window, type the following command. Press Enter and wait several minutes for the scan to complete. After the scan completes, close the command prompt, then restart your computer to apply any system repairs. These steps should help resolve error code 0x80070483 in Microsoft Store. Resetting the store and repairing system files often fixes the issue. Thank you for watching. I hope this guide helped you fix the issue. Goodbye.